In a construction or maintenance project, tasks at great heights often need to be tackled. The solution? A telescopic boom lift. These pieces of machinery provide easy access to hard-to-reach areas, improving efficiency and safety. However, the high upfront costs and ongoing maintenance responsibilities can make outright ownership a burden. That's where renting comes into play. Renting a telescopic boom lift not only saves cost, but you only pay for it when you need it. This can help avoid substantial upfront costs and instead pay a manageable rental fee for the duration of your project. This strategy frees up capital for other investments and aids budget management. One of the significant advantages of renting is access to the latest models on the market without incurring the cost of expensive upgrades or replacements. Rental companies consistently update their fleet with modern machines, boasting innovative features designed to boost safety measures and productivity levels. Renting also offers unparalleled flexibility. Every construction or maintenance project comes with its unique set of requirements. Owning one type or size of lift can limit your ability to take on diverse projects. Renting allows you to select from various lifts, choosing the one that best fits your project requirements. Furthermore, telescopic boom lifts are bulky pieces of equipment that take up significant space when not in use. By renting, you eliminate the need for long-term storage. Once done with the machine, it goes back to the rental company, freeing up space at your site. Maintenance concerns are also taken care of by the rental company's expert team, ensuring optimal performance during your rental period. Many rental companies offer more than just machinery. They provide invaluable industry insights and advice too. Their expert team can guide you in choosing the right lift for your specific project needs. Telescopic boom lift rental offers a myriad of benefits: significant cost savings, access to the latest models, reduced maintenance worries, and unbeatable flexibility. With expert advice often part of the package, renting isn't just about saving money, it's about maximizing efficiency and success. At Innovative Reach, we offer top-quality man lifts that can help in any project, be it indoors or outdoors. With years of experience in telescopic boom lift rentals, we should be your first call to get your project started. Questions? Give us a call at 319-900-5995 to find out more.